again, welcome to part 2 of Mountain Bike Restore. Well, my next step will be checking out the wheels on the bike. So what I do is grab the wheel, I just kind of spin it while looking down at the rim and check for any untrueness, which means a bent rim. Then I will go around on the other side, do the same thing. Just grab the wheel, spin it, look down on the rim, check for untrueness. So it seems to be pretty good. Okay, then I would come over here and I would grab the crank arms, just kind of wiggle it, trying to see if there's any play here. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Then I would come down here and I would check the rear derailleur. I would check for any damage, any looseness. Looks pretty good. Then I would come over here and I would check the front derailleur. Check for any damage, you know, any looseness. Kind of take a look at the back too of it. Looks pretty good. Okay, well, that will conclude part 2 of Mountain Bike Restore. So I'll get back with you at part 3 and we'll go from there. Talk to you later. Have a good one.